My name is Solomon Amadon. I'm going to be doing a presentation on cleaning your bus, and we're going over the basics. Right now I'm showing you a trick I use where you sweep around the front and around the back, and then you go to the next seat, you sweep around the front and then the back. It's the most efficient way to get the dirt out of there. And if you can't do it, you can't see everything, lift up the chair. It's real easy. You just lift it up and you sweep everything out, and then scoop out all the dirt and trash inside the little side compartment. And then we're finishing up, and always sweep all the trash into your trash bin. Do not sweep it onto the floor. Even if it's grass or dirt, sweep everything into the trash bin so we don't have trash on the ground. And now I'm going to show you, if you need to get a mop, go into the wash bay. And to rinse out the mop, you just stick it into the mop bucket, pull the lever, you dry it out, you spray the windows with Windex, wipe them down, and then you pass a cloth over to dry them off. Affect the seats, you're going to go a sweeping motion like this, above the seats, and you try to hit all the areas where the kids are touching the seats. And now we're going to show you just a little bit of disinfecting and cleaning around where the driver sits. And I'm wiping down everything around the seat, all the little pieces where you're going to be touching around the dash, all the gauges, and making sure it's all disinfected and clean.